key, ignition, blast off. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Cooking with gasoline now. Hello, Handyman.
Hey, Handyman. This is Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube.
Oh, hi Susan. How are you?
Yeah, I see you've been taking a break from YouTube.
Yeah, I did take a little bit of a break.
And you stopped uploading videos. What's the deal?
Yeah, just been inventing electric bicycles.
Hey, I need you to get back on it. The fate of YouTube and all of Google depends on the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. Can you do that for me?
Yes, I understand. Yeah. What type of videos would you like me to make for you?
We want to see that massive kitchen renovation. We want to see how it turned out.
YouTube. Oh, you want massive kitchen renovation? I think I can come up with something for you. When should I?
Now.
You want them
Start
uploaded
right now,
today?
Handyman.
Today?
I want it up today.
Like right now?
Today?
It's gonna be.
All the days
Okay, I'll get right on it.
No breaks. No days off. All
Good
right.
talking to you again, Susan.
Goodbye, Handyman.
Before we get this party started, I need everybody to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And click the bell and click the thumbs up. Gotta do it. I'll wait. So this is the massive kitchen renovation. All the cabinets have been built and the drawers have been built. These are the drawer slides. I don't think I made a video on them. I've got one right here. I will show you in detail, up close in a minute here, about why these specific drawer slides are so awesome. Step one to laying out these drawer faces is to put tape on the cabinet frames and then mark my measurements on there. So that's the first phase. You don't want to be drawn on the actual cabinets. I'm going to have a stop block that I clamp to the adjacent cabinet. And what I'm doing here is just marking everything out. Yours would be different, but you want them centered left and right and up and down so you have even spacing. So there is my stop block. So when I put the drawer faces up, they're in a perfect line. Perfect line. Hopefully we have the audio on here.
Rusty.
Same working?
Have a freaking camera on.
And I've already put the first one on, but I'm using double-sided sticky tape. Now this is some heavy-duty sticky tape. I'll talk more about which tape I'm using at the end here. Just double-checking all my measurements many times, over and over and over. The alignment left and right is more important than not getting them stuck on crooked. I'll tell you why in a minute. We'll get to it in a minute. I may be popping in and out here. Might put some music in it. Maybe I won't. It's real easy to stick it on there. Just gotta put some pressure on it. And you're ready to go to the next one. You have a little bit of time to pull it off and re-stick it if it's way off. But if it's not way off, don't worry about it. There's adjustment built into the drawer slides that you can have both sides go up or down. Kind of repeat the process over and over. The next one gets even easier. The next cabinet. Oh, there we go. So that is a fake drawer, and I just stuck some Velcro on there to hold it in place. It's an angled cabinet, so you can't really use these drawer slides to make a triangle shaped drawer. This drawer here, man, that took a lot of time. A lot of custom engineering went into getting that drawer to fit underneath that gas cooktop.
I'm gonna try out the Gorilla
Oh, I think he's talking.
Gorilla Glue brand now. This one has 3M written on it. The Scotch, at least it did. Now out on the inner edges it doesn't. Anyways, this is rated for exterior. These are considered a permanent adhesion. The reason I'm using this is because it's not permanent. You can get these off. It'll take a little wrestling with a very thin knife or a putty knife, but you can get in there and work these off of here. I'm going to put handles on them next. Obviously you would take the handles off and then work that really thin knife in the sides and down from the top to the middle section. And then you can remove these to refinish them or replace them. So if you have an accident in here, someone comes through with a hammer and smashes them all, you can remove them to replace them or repair them. So we're going to switch to Gorilla Glue. It's a little bit wider. And well, we'll see how well it works. You have to press on them. That's why you see me pushing tight, hard on them. They're both the same thickness too.
So this is the drawer slide. This is a lefty, left-handed. Goes on the left side, so the cabinet's there, pulls out, full extension, soft close. See that? Now, why I was saying that you don't have to worry too much about getting your drawer face cockeyed is because it's got these little adjustments here. On each side, you can adjust it up and down. See that little plastic piece there? It's in the up position now. And you just squeeze it and it goes down. So each side has that much adjustment in the front. There's also adjustments in the rear. You can flip this pin somehow. Yeah, this little guy goes all the way up and all the way down. Adjusting the back up and down. There's a lot of adjustment built into this. So this is a Blum Movento. Movent? I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll put a link in the description, if I can find it, to these undermounted drawer slides. You don't see them when the drawers open and close. Yeah, they work great. I think they've got like 100 and some odd pounds, maybe 150 pound capacity. So you can really load it up with some heavy cast iron cookware and you have your full extension. Much easier to do with the drawers out. The first bank, all the drawers were in. Then going forward, it's real easy to pop it out. Just get it lightly stuck and you can pop it out and grab a hold of it and make sure it's stuck good. How many comments I'm gonna get about my knees and how I'm choosing to do this. Oh, careful, watch the Rolex. So I'm pushing tight to the left up against my stop board, lining up that line and then coming across and lining up with the next cabinet. Perfect. Nice. Got this one back in. Oh, this is heavy. All right. I think I'm gonna do it. This is the end of the video. Got to get the wheels greased back up on the YouTube channel since I took such a long break. Got a phone call from the CEO of YouTube this morning saying to get back to work, and she specifically said she wanted massive kitchen renovation videos. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this jig here to install handles on these very expensive cabinets. Each base cabinet, like this whole section here, is just over $1,000. $1,000, $1,000, $3,000 right here. All the drawer slides are Blum, soft closing. If you mess one of these up, if it's just a basic non-shaker, I've done this before, that's why I know these numbers. It's about 150 bucks. For a shaker style door like this, you're looking at 250 bucks and at a minimum of 3 weeks. Most often it's going to take a month to get a replacement drawer face or a door. So you don't want to mess them up. You can pretty much, with one false move, one small teeny maneuver incorrectly, you can erase like your day's profits. Tune in. Hopefully it's going to be Monday. I'm going to try to get this one out Sunday. And tomorrow, I'm going to get all these gold, platinum handles installed here. And I will even do all the upper cabinets. We've got more coming on the massive kitchen. I don't know if you can see over my shoulder, there's a window over here. This whole thing's going to turn into a door. Lots of videos coming. Maybe I'll tell where I've been in tomorrow's video. Or the next day. But you'll know. You'll find out. Where the heck is Handyman? All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, bell.
Check out the links in the description. Go get yourself a caulk gun t-shirt. The t-shirt comes with great responsibility though. Those who own one of these know what I'm talking about. If you don't want to be part of the secret society, don't get one. You'll know what I mean once you wear it out in public.
Goodbye.